Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to combine like or similar terms. The first thing that you need to do is just look at your equation and look for the parts that are similar. So look for the x's, the y's, or any other variables that might be in the equation. And then look for your plain Jane numbers that would also count as a separate part. Okay, and what really helps me, because I am a social studies teacher, not a math teacher, is to actually draw in a different color or mark in some different way those similar terms. So that way they can kind of stick out. So number 13 on your Algebra 1 assignment is 3x plus 4x minus 7. I'm going to go ahead and just color code those x's in red, color code my plain numbers in blue. Okay, one thing that you do really need to know that's important is that the sign in front of the number is a package deal. It always goes with the number behind it. So for example, this -7, 7 right here, it had a minus sign in front of it, so it is a package deal. It goes together as a -7. This 4x right here, it had a plus in front of it. It goes together as a plus 4x or positive 4x. All right, now that I've identified the similar parts, I'm going to go ahead and just add them together. So 3x plus 4x. So if I have 3 x's and I add 4 more, I'm going to have 7 total x's. Sweet. Okay, now I'm just going to copy the rest of the remaining equation down. It looks like that's all the further I can go. I can't just subtract 7 from the 7x because this x is a variable and it's a whole different part. It's like comparing apples to oranges. So I'm going to go ahead and circle this as my answer, 7x minus 7. All right, same thing to the other side. I have number 14 on the Algebra 1 assignment, 7a minus b plus 4b plus 2a. So I'm going to go ahead and just put all the a's in red. So I have 7a, I have 4b, and there's a plus sign in front of, oops, not 4b. I have 2a, and there's a plus sign in front of it. So I got to put that with the 2a. Now I'm going to circle or square the b's in blue. I have 4b. I have a plus sign in front of it, so that goes with the 4b. I have b, and I have a minus sign in front of it, so that's going to go with it. All right. Now that I have my different parts identified, I'm going to go ahead and add those different parts together. So I'm going to go ahead and start with the red, 7a plus 2a. So I have 7 a's, I add 2 more, I have 9 total a's. Okay, I'm going to copy down the rest of the equation just because I'm a step-by-step person. All right, and if it helps, you could always cross off the parts that you've already done, taking care of those two. Okay, so now I have to combine these b's together. So I have minus b plus 4b. So if I have 4 b's and I take away 1 or minus 1, I'm going to have 3 b's. And that's all the further that I can go to simplify this equation. You might be asking, how did you know that the sign between those two numbers was going to be a plus? I knew that because my answer was positive. I had positive 3b as an answer, so I knew that was going to be a plus between those two. So your answer for number 14, 9a plus 3b. If you have any questions or if you need any clarification on that one, feel free to ask.